Hi, this is Shari, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do an install of a removable sew-in that I created on my sewing machine for this particular client. My client, she suffered a lot of shedding from this past install, so we decided to create a install that could be removed and reapplied. I applied a humectant conditioner, which is a conditioner that draws in moisture to your natural hair so that your hair will not dry out while you are wearing this install. So her hair is braided down. I braid it down in any pattern that I desire. I attach her sew-in. This could be a partial sew-in or a full sew-in. In this case, this is a full sew-in. So I attached two different pieces that I created on the sewing machine. And then I just cut out what I did not use because I did not take her measurements before she came. This is something new that we've tried, but she's going to be able to reinstall this sew-in when she takes it down. And this sew-in took about 45 minutes. If you like what you saw in this video, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. You can also leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to join the Facebook hair group, Protective Hair and Style Tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.